Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best soldering stations, perfect for anyone from DIY enthusiasts to professional technicians. With links in the description below, you can explore each product in more detail. This list is based on our personal insights as well as key factors like ratings, reviews, order volume, price, quality, and durability to help you make an informed choice. Let's get into it and see which soldering station fits your needs best. Number 5, we have the JCD 8898 Pro soldering station, an impressive 2-in-1 rework station that combines both a hot air gun and a soldering iron. It's equipped with dual LCD digital displays, letting you monitor temperatures precisely for both functions. With its sleek, compact design, it saves space and operates at extremely low noise levels, making it great for focused work. An intelligent self-detection function ensures safe operation, and an automatic cooling feature helps prolong the life of the heating element. The JCD 8898 Piro also offers Fahrenheit Celsius switching, making it versatile for any user. Number 4 is the U99822 soldering station, a model known for its precision and user-friendly features. This station is equipped with customizable temperature presets and an auto-calibration feature to maintain accuracy over time. Its LCD Nixie temperature display is easy to read, and the device comes with useful modes like standby and auto shutdown for safety and energy efficiency. The YIHUA 982D2 also has a solid build with high-quality components and certifications like CE and FCC, ensuring long-term durability. This station is excellent for users who need precision in their soldering projects. Number 3, we have the CNCEST soldering station, a powerful model ideal for those working with SMD welding technology. It includes a hot air gun with 3 nozzles for versatile use, as well as a power supply that provides stable performance. The digital LED display allows for accurate temperature adjustments, and a brushless turbine fan ensures quiet, consistent airflow. With a temperature range reaching up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, this station is built for challenging tasks. The CNCEST is also crafted from durable materials, making it a reliable choice for long-term use in both professional and hobbyist settings. Number 2 on our list is the JCD 8586 soldering station, a 2-in-1 model that combines a hot air gun and a soldering iron, each capable of independent operation. This station features a metal body and high-quality silicone casing for durability and safety. The LCD digital display provides a clear view of the precise temperature settings, while the microcomputer-controlled system allows for quick warm-up and temperature stability. A standout feature is the handle sensor switch, which activates operating mode when picked up and switches to standby when set down. It also includes an automatic cooling system to extend heater life, making it ideal for high-demand work. Finally, at number 1, we have the Silverflo 938BD3 soldering station, a top pick for its performance and advanced functionality. This 2-in-1 station combines a soldering iron and hot air rework station, both with fast heating capabilities. It has a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius for the rework station and 200 degrees to 480 degrees Celsius for the soldering iron, covering a wide range of soldering needs. With features like auto sleep and digital temperature calibration, the Silverflo 938BD3 is designed to improve efficiency and ensure consistent performance. This station also includes a multifunctional holder for added convenience, making it the ultimate choice for anyone looking for reliability and precision in their soldering tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more product reviews.